Remember the beef between Ayisha Modi and Akua Addo? You know, Ayisha Modi made allegations on Akua Addo. Yes, so she has finally come out to react to it. Stay tuned for more. Yes, before I go straight to this gist, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so let me take you guys back a little bit. Let me give you guys a gist of what really happened before, you know, Akua Addo actually reacted. Yeah, so Ayisha Modi, some few weeks ago, Victoria Kimani was in Ghana for a media tour, and through her media tour, it was alleged that Akua Addo actually went in her DM to, you know, spoil or to make dirty Ayisha Modi. And Ayisha Modi, due to the relationship that she had with Victoria Kimani, she got to know of what Akua Addo did and actually came on social media, went live on Instagram especially, to, you know, vent her anger about how close she was with Akua Addo, and Akua Addo had to go back or go behind her and stab her in the back. Yeah, so per the allegation, or per what Ayisha Modi said, she said that Akua Addo went in Victoria Kimani's DM to say that she is not worthy of being a manager or managing her, that's Victoria Kimani. And for her, or to her, looking at how close she was with Akua Addo, for her to do that, Charlie, is so bad. So she made a lot of allegations saying that Akua Addo, she has worked her before, she's even owed her $15,000 US and all that. And for her to do this, that's really pained her. Yeah, so fast forward, Akua Addo was interviewed on Peace FM Entertainment Review Show by Akua Addo, and she actually went calm on the issue. She admitted actually entering into Victoria Kimani's DM to, you know, make that allegation or probably make that statement. But according to her, that particular statement was misconstrued by Ayisha Modi. Ayisha Modi took it on a different level at all. But then it was not that. She didn't even mean that. Actually, Victoria Kimani asked her take on Ayisha Modi managing her when she comes to Ghana, or managing her brand as a whole. And according to Akua Addo, she was like, oh, Ayisha Modi is very influential. But when it comes to the managerial aspect or managerial side of an artist, she doesn't think she's good at it because she has not seen her do that. And that's all she meant. She didn't actually go there to go and say that, oh, no, she's not good, she can't do that, and she's going to affect your brand and all that. No. So that's what actually she said. And also, she went fast forward to talk about the amount of money that, you know, Ayisha Modi alleged or told the media or told her followers that she's owing her 15. I was like, no, me, I have my own business I'm running. Anyway, my husband also has money. Why will I take somebody's $15,000? No. According to her, she has a very close relationship with Ayisha Modi. She didn't deny that. She was like, they are very close. They are like even more than sisters, okay? And that Ayisha Modi gives her money to hold for her, to keep for her. You know, we all have this friend that we can give things to. Oh, Kitarima, hold this for me, I'll come for it later. That's the kind of relationship that they have. And Ayisha Modi traveling, she remember she was traveling once, she was like, she gave her $15,000 to keep for her. She didn't take that money. So she doesn't know why Ayisha Modi, or out of anger or out of any emotional feelings or whatever you want to, you know, want to put it, went out and saying that she owes her $15,000, has not paid and all that. No. Guys, she doesn't owe her any money, and this is what actually happened. Yeah, so all this will come to the end of the daily entertainment gossip show right here on tched TV. But before I even end this show, what is your take on it? Can you drop your opinion and thought? Do you think Ayisha Modi out of anger went too far, or you think she said the truth and Akua Addo is actually telling lies, or she's trying to, you know, make the matter that because she knows how hyper Ayisha Modi can be, because when you touch her, she'll come out. We all know what happened between her and Shatawale, and she doesn't want that same thing, or she doesn't want the relation between herself and Ayisha Modi to go down the drain. Probably that's why she's saying what she's saying. What do you think about it? Drop your comment in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there. And no, if you are on social media, you have not followed me, kindly log on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere is at odate_j. Also, don't forget to also log on to my blog, www.odatej.com, for the latest entertainment news and gossip. And to come with another exciting episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show. It's bye for now.